Alright, hello YouTube, this is Ahi. So this week I'm going to show you how I would approach doing sound design for a minimalistic game. So I got permission from the developer of Minimetro to use the video material that I captured last week to use on this tutorial. Alright, so let's begin. First what I'll do, I'll just import the video file. And the video is this one, I believe. Yes, it is. We do not need the audio from the video, so we need just the video file. Alright, and it says video mismatch, so get from a video. Okay. So let's make it 25 FPS. It will most likely be off sync. So first what we need to do is that, so here is the starting point. And first what I'll do is that I will make a new MIDI file. And I will make a new drum setup. I think I have a one that is like clear. Alright. And what I'll do is that I'll just mark events that happen in the video to the MIDI. So for example, if there is a new station coming or a new game beginning, so I'll just do that. So let's see. Alright, so here we have our demo map. Let's start. Let's deactivate that. Alright. Alright, so here was our press of a button. So around here is the mouse over. And maybe here is the start press. Alright. I'm using the drum map because you can actually name these events, so it's easier to see what's happening. So here would be the enter map, like blob. And here would be a blob. Let's say that this is new customer, which is this square appearing here. Alright. This is the draw the line. So mouse down is here. And then release is here. So let's move on. So same thing. Here is the mouse down. I'll just make the video a bit smaller. We don't really need all that space. And release is here. Alright. So as we saw, there's a train that started to move. Train, station, train, depart, train, load. So this is basically just the planning phase. So what I'll do is that I'll just show you like the first maybe half a minute of the video. So anyway, I'll just cut the video here and then let you come back when I have done all this stuff. That's kind of boring. Alright, just a quick update that I decided to edit the video to make it to be 25 frames per second because apparently when I turned off the video recording, the video got really off sync. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to retime all the events so far and then do the rest of the video. Alright, so the first thing that I did when it came to actual like sample stuff. So now that I have all these mapped out, so what I did was I just used the Groove Agent 1, which is the drum machine, and I just mapped the same sound for mouse up, mouse down on the making lines and on the startup menu. Let's check out how it looks on the screen now. So that is our basic first sound, and now I'm going to add more stuff and let's see how it goes. Alright, so now I have a locomotive sound that I want to use. But as we can hear, it's way too long, and at least the Groove Agent didn't do like very well job at doing the fade out. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to slice this up, going to overlap it with that one just a bit, so then make a something like that, and then what I'm going to do, still maybe a bit too long, so let's make a shorter one. Yep. Alright, so let's then compress it just a tad. And we can hear that there is that click at the end. There. So let's try to get rid of that. Crossfade. We can also try this. So just remove that. Yeah. Now we just need to make crossfade. Yeah. I think that will be just fine when you put it in context. So now what we'll do is just we'll select that selection. And then mono mix down, locomotive. Let's put it in the project folder. Alright. There it is. Alright, and then let's get back to Groove Agent 1. And we had the old locomotive here, so let's remove that. And let's put this one. Alright, and let's see how it looks in context. A bit too loud, but yeah, otherwise it seems pretty nice. So let's just turn it down. Yeah, now they're about at the same volume. So next what I wanted to do was a fanfare sound, and I chose Synth 1 with the violin patch, and what I'm playing is just pa-pa. So the chord is F. Yeah. So let's print that. Maybe with just a tad of reverb. Not much. Very short reverb. Yeah, that sounds cool. That make it stereo this time. So far. Alright, and here we have our fanfare. Right, let's remove that, and let's see, do we have pop-up end of week? So A sharp -1. So fanfare should go here. Fanfare. Alright, so let's see where that is in the video. So here we have our week 1. So let's resize the window just a bit. Move it just here to the left. So it starts here. End of the week. Right about there. Yeah. Alright, so let's continue. For the next step, what I'm going to do is I'm going to find some jazz music, or alternatively make some myself, but for this demonstration I'm going to download some from free website called Jamendo. So here is a free track called A Little Something Something by the Good Lords. So as we see, it's free and legal for personal use. So this is just for demonstration purpose. If it would be used for actual game, it would need some sort of licensing. So let's see how it would fit in the game. It might be a bit too loud, so let me check the level on that. As we see, it actually fits quite well, at least in my opinion. Alright, so here is the final thing that I did. And as you can see that I didn't map it out all the way. I just got bored and then I just showed the ending. So I'll show you that there's actually quite many events going on from the very beginning. So I'll just play a short clip and tomorrow I will upload longer version. So let's check it out. And yeah, that's it. And that is basically the main idea, so that when you have selected the sounds that you want, you just print them out and then you use whatever game sound engine is using, Fmod or whatever, and then you just bring them there and then you just map them out similarly as I did here in the events window. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. I make new videos a week. Thank you for watching and make good music.